Welcome to my channel. How to access Wavlink Repeater login page, quick fix guide. 1. Use the right address. Sounds stupid, but start here. The repeater's login is at wifi.wavlink.com. If that doesn't load, try 192.168.10.1. Sometimes the repeater doesn't resolve the URL properly, so the IP works better. 2. Hardwire it. Forget Wi-Fi for a sec. Grab an Ethernet cable and plug your PC straight into the repeater. Then type the login URL. Half the time I couldn't access it over wireless, but wired in, it popped right up. 3. Check your connection. Make sure your device is actually connected to the repeater's network. If you're still on your main router's Wi-Fi, the login page won't show. Connect directly to the Wavlink SSID first. 4. Clear the cache. Your browser might be hanging onto old data. Clear the cache or just open the login page in incognito mode. Chrome was a nightmare for me until I went private tab. 5. Try a different browser. Don't overthink it. Safari didn't work. Chrome didn't either. Firefox did. Sometimes it's just that dumb. 6. Reset the repeater. If nothing works, push the reset button on the repeater, hold 10 seconds. It'll wipe the settings. Then reconnect to the default Wavlink SSID and try again. After reset, the login usually comes back alive. 7. Disable VPN or proxy. This one drove me nuts. I was running a VPN in the background and couldn't load the login at all. Turned it off, page showed instantly. If you've got VPN, proxy, or custom DNS running, kill it before retrying. 8. Assign static IP. Sometimes your device doesn't get the repeater's IP range right. Go into your network settings and assign something like 192.168.10.20 with gateway 192.168.10.1. Then reload the login page. 9. Power cycle everything. Unplug the repeater. Wait a minute. Plug it back in. Then reboot your computer, phone too. It's basic, but sometimes the clean restart fixes the stale connection issue. 10. Use another device. Don't waste an hour on one laptop if it's not working. Try your phone, tablet, whatever you have lying around. I once couldn't get in from Windows, but my Android phone pulled up the login instantly. Thanks for watching.